How to enable or disable GX Corner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable GX Corner from the sidebar on Opera GX. It's a very simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Opera GX, and once you have opened it, simply go to the top left corner of your screen and simply open the settings menu. And once you have opened the settings, you can simply use the search bar and type corner in that. And after that, you will see the GX corner option appearing in the result. Now click on it, and from there you will find the option to enable or disable GX corner on the sidebar. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn GX Corner on or off. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.